Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the feisty slang phrase, bite me. It's a bold, cheeky retort used to dismiss someone's criticism or annoyance, essentially saying, leave me alone, or I don't care, with a sassy attitude. It's about shutting down negativity with flair. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Go clean your room right now. Oh, bite me. Go away. I'm annoyed by your command. You should really try waking up at 5 a.m. every day like me. Bite me. I need my sleep. Stop telling me what to do. Lend me some money. I'll pay you back, eventually. Bite me. I'm not a bank. No way. Stop asking for handouts. Want to help me clean out the garage all day Saturday? Bite me. I already have plans. Absolutely not. That sounds terrible. The slang phrase bite me has spicy roots, emerging in late 20th century American English as a defiant comeback. Likely tied to earlier expressions like bite the dust, it gained traction in the 1980s and 1990s through pop culture, especially in teen slang and media like TV shows and movies. The phrase's literal imagery, challenging someone to bite as a taunt, adds to its playful yet confrontational vibe, making it a go-to for brushing off haters with attitude. Use bite me to fire back at someone's annoying comments or criticism in a casual, sassy way. Perfect for informal chats where you want to show you're unbothered or defiant. This phrase carries a spunky, rebellious tone and shines in playful or heated exchanges. Avoid it in formal or professional settings, as it can sound rude or immature. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.